been a while. I just been, I don't know, dealing with depression and weird stuff like that. Also, I wanted to put ExpressLRS on my drones and try it out. But it's just like, you know, when you have the crossfire, you say hi. So when you have crossfire set up on everything, it's like, it's so easy to just go out and fly crossfire instead of like taking it all apart, putting something new. So it's just like, I dilly-dallied with that a bit. But I'm happy to say I figured it out. I got the T-lite working with the Happymodel thing. So I'm going to make videos about all that to show you how to do it, because it took me a long time to update everything. It just took a long time. But now I have 2 drones that I'm going to go fly today, testing out ExpressLRS for the first time.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!
Okay, I figure I'll talk to you right now since it's all fresh in my mind. So that was really interesting. I'm in Canada. It's starting to get like really cold. My hands are like shaking from the cold. It was my first time flying with the Jumper T-lite. It's also my first time flying with ExpressLRS, so it was interesting. I'm used to the way the Tango feels more. I'm used to the resistance on the sticks of the Tango 2, and I kind of like that. But at the same time, when I fly the analog, I actually feel a lot more connected to the system than when I fly digital. So it's like I like the way digital looks, but I like the way analog feels. And today's experience was almost like the opposite. I didn't feel really that connected with analog. It just felt a bit wonky. I think it's just I wasn't used to the controller, or it almost, I didn't feel that connection. You know, I just didn't feel as good. But when I was on digital, I felt the connection way better. It's like it felt closer to how analog felt before. I guess it's just people have said because the latency of the ExpressLRS is less. When you combine that with the DJI, it kind of makes it feel like you're more connected. Definitely did feel that. Flying the Jumper T-lite on ExpressLRS with DJI felt really good.
I like it a lot.
I only got to fly, I think, 2 packs on DJI. I don't know if my batteries are dying or what's going on, but I've noticed that my like the voltage isn't going down kind of slowly. It seems to be going down pretty quickly on my 900 Moz from G&B, and I'm only getting like 3-4 minutes of flight out of them, whereas usually I'd be getting 4 or 5 minutes. And my R lines are still doing the same. I feel like something's a little bit off. I don't know whether it's the batteries or like the ESC or like the motors, or I don't know if motors, if there's something off with the motors, if they're bumped up a bit. Does it like drain your battery differently, or something is going on? I don't know what it is. I have a feeling it just might be the batteries are deteriorating or something, but I don't really know. So if you know what's going on or you think you know what's going on, it's very strange. I just feel like I charge the battery and I'm at like 4.2, and then all of a sudden I'm flying, I'm already at like 3.8. Is that the battery deteriorating, or is there something off with my system that's sucking the battery? I can't really tell. A whole pile of things were going on. I was cold. It looked like it was going to rain outside, so I just tried to get I just wanted to fly and get my batteries down so that I wouldn't have to. It makes me so sad when you charge your batteries and you're like, I'm going to go out. I went out yesterday and I was supposed to do this yesterday. It was too dark. And then today it looked like it was going to rain, and it's just like it kills me to take my batteries after I charge them and put them on storage, and then drain them down to storage. I just hate doing it. I'd rather just go fly them down to storage. So anyways, those are my findings. If you're considering, switching over from Crossfire to ExpressLRS, LRS, do it.
What are you waiting
it's cheaper,
for? Do it!
It's lighter,
Just
it
do
feels
it!
responsive.
Yes, you can! Just do it!
People say Crossfire is so reliable. I think I've had like 3 Crossfire receivers die on me, just like they just stopped working for no reason, and they're like $40 Canadian, and the ExpressLRS stuff is like $20 for something that's like newer. I felt good. I didn't fly that far as you saw, but I'm really excited to get more into the ExpressLRS stuff. I'm excited for the Pro controller. I'm going to probably get that when it comes out, and I hope you people in the States that get to be somewhere warm and you get to fly all year long, I guess that's great. I guess the thing with the winter is I'll have time to do other things. I'm working on building some custom drones for this spring. Planning to make a tiny one, a medium one, and a larger one, all within the sub 250 stuff. So I'm excited about that, and you'll be able to see that as it comes along. I'm going to probably wait until I actually have something that works before I share it with you. Please like this video. Just like it. It helps me. Don't be lazy. Click that like button. And thank you to all the new people that have subscribed. This channel is just a little kind of like hobby channel for me. And I really appreciate all you fun people checking out the stuff. And yes, bye.